everyone. I hope you are as excited as me to embark on this incredible learning journey together. My name is Teacher Rick, and I am absolutely thrilled to be your teacher for this lesson. Get ready for an engaging lesson, discussion, and a whole lot of fun as we explore the fascinating world of electronic product assembly and servicing. Together, we will discover new things and make every lesson interesting. Buckle up, because the adventure starts now. At the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to: number 1, identify the parts and function of a multitester. Number 2, measure alternating current AC and direct current DC voltages. And number 3, set and calibrate multitester to ensure accuracy of reading. Our topic for today is all about parts and functions of multitester. Do you have an idea of what a multitester is? Multitester, also known as VOM, is an instrument used to measure voltage, ohm for resistance, and milliammeter for ampere. Here are the two types of multitester. The first is the analog type, and the second is the digital. The only difference between the two is the display, where the analog uses needle pointer to indicate measurement, while digital type has an LCD which instantly provides the actual measurement. But for now, we will only focus on the analog type by identifying the parts and functions. The first is the pair of test probes. The red is the positive probe, and the black is the negative or common probe. These are physical parts to connect the instrument to the device or component under test or measured. The plug of the black probe will be inserted to the negative port, and the red probe to the positive port. Next is the selector knob, which is used to select the desired measuring range. Example: if the user wants to measure AC voltage from an outlet, the selector knob should be set to AC scale with different ranges, same as measuring DC voltage, resistance, and ampere. Next is the zero ohm adjuster. It is used to calibrate the accuracy of the instrument, especially when it comes to resistance. Another is the zero set adjuster, also used to calibrate the instrument. The needle pointer is the needle-shaped rod that moves over the scale of the meter, which will determine the reading. Lastly, the scale. This indicates the value of resistor, voltage, and current being measured. Now that you have already learned the basic parts, we will use the multitester to measure AC voltage. First, turn the selector knob to AC voltage and hold the probe properly. In testing AC voltage, it doesn't matter if the probes are interchanged. Insert the test probes in the convenient outlet. Be mindful in testing live outlet. Now, for DC voltage, turn the selector knob to the DC range. However, unlike in AC voltage, reading for DC has a polarity. The red probe should be connected to the positive terminal and the black probe to the negative terminal of the battery being tested. In case of polarity is not observed, the needle pointer will move backward, which may possibly cause damage to the instrument. Now that you know the different parts and functions of an analog multitester, let us test how you have learned. Let's have a short quiz. Are you ready, class? Question number 1. Name the two types of multitester. That's correct. Question number 2. What parts of multitester is adjusted to calibrate the needle pointer? Very good. Question number 3. This type of tester uses needle pointer to indicate measurement and reading. Yes, that's right. Now, you have learned how to read or measure AC voltages using the multimeter. For next week's topic, we will discuss the different procedures on how to test electronic components using analog multitester. I hope you have learned a lot in this lesson. Again, this is Sir Rick, your teacher in Electronic Products Assembly and Servicing. See you until next session. Stay safe.